Don't speak, no don't try. It's been a secret for the...
Nii, nüüd siis esimese harjutusena Skull Crusherid ja alustab warm-upiga, praegu on 10 pleitid peal.
My dreams, I do anything I want to you. My emotions are naked, they're taking me out of my mind. Right now I'm shameless, screaming my lungs out for you. Not afraid to face it. I need you more than I want to, need you more than I want to. Show me you're shameless. Right on my neck, why don't you? And I won't erase it. I need you more than I want to, need you more than I want to.
I wanted you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I wanted you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak.
Mis sa ütled selle kohta? Viimane set. Let's get this. Ma ei saa palju. Sa teed nii palju, kui sa saad. Let's get this.
Can't speak, I can't speak.
I know what your boy like. Skinny tie and a cup tight. He gon' make breakfast.
Käed on läbi. Ma olen läbi.
Stop, I'll come back. Silent.
Fly around the world, made to the game. Bitch too afraid, I ain't gon' change.
Time to rope next, bro. Let's get this.
Let's get this. Time to rope next.
Reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine. Euphoria.
31 seconds. Auto sequence start.
Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine. Euphoria. Hide and seek.
Teps. Nüüd on mu pallidel ekstra raskus. Let's go, bro. Ekstra 10 kilo, let's go, tipid.
Living the dream, yours and mine. Euphoria. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine. Euphoria.
Man, the fuck you doing, man?
Construction.
Man, what the fuck you doing,
We
man?
got some extra weight, you know.
Bro, this ain't extra weight.
Ehk siis nad topivad meile eestlaste raskustes, meil oleks raskem.
The fuck is Brad doing, man? So, what is this exercise, bro? I know. This bicep
exercise?
Preacherid on võetud.
Oda.
Ja mõtlesin, et teeb üle tükra ja protein ja fire harjutus.
Reaalselt pole mingi aasta aega teinud Spider Curl'i, nii et vaatad, mis saab.
Nüüd on meil lateral machine. See on veits goofy in my opinion.
I mean, David Late tegi seda, you know.
David Late hardstyle.
David Late hardstyle, you know, the type shit. Alright, show me what you got.
Show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside. Show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the So you give me no reason for me to stay close to you. Tell me what love is still. How are we still breathing? It's never for us to choose. I'll be the strength in you. Now I'm holding on.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
Right. The session done, you know. Arms are pumped. Now we gotta go to McDonald's and eat some fucking dirty ass food, you know. You see this fucking XXL popcorn, you know. This is what I'm eating today.
Let's go, bro.
On eurosed kupongid täna on ju. Noh, praegu on see kuradi goat wheel, you know. Saame süüa. Hamburger for $1, bro.
Yeah, let's go, man. Scan this bitch. Nee, come on.
Bro got his food, bro. Mis sa said? Mis sa võtsid?
See on mingi McSunday vist. Karamelli oma.
Sunday. Täna on Friday tegelikult, nii et vale.
Ei, see on Sunday, ma ei tea seda. See on 4-piece chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget. Hamburger.
All for €3, €3, you know.
€3 või? That's a pretty good deal, I can say.
I like this, bro. Tell me what you got.
Jätsid küll, ma ei tea, kuidas inglise keeles see on. Ja maasika maitseline, by the way. Nii et suht curly pop stuff, you know. Samamoodi for chicken McNuggets and Tasty Junior 1 euriga. nii et mul vedas täiega.
Gangsta.
How is the burger, bro? How is the basic hamburger?
see on nii fucking feminine, kui sa jood kellegi pärast.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly.